Kia ora whānau, ko Maddie Tukoingoa, and today I'm here to show you all about the endorseMe app. The app itself is for the endorsee or the young person or student who is collecting endorsements. In the app you'll be able to view your profile, keep a track of your skills and collect endorsements. The first thing you need to do is download the app for free on either the App Store if you're on an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on an Android phone. Just tap on the search bar and look up endorseMe, all one word, and you should see the app pop up there. Once the app's installed, open it up and you'll see this home screen here. There are two buttons here, one to log in and one to sign up. If you've already been registered for an account with your coordinator, then you'll be able to go straight ahead and log in. If you haven't got an account yet, tap on the green sign up button and enter your details there and we'll get in touch with you on how to sign up. So to log in, we'll just tap the yellow button here and enter the email address that your account's been registered with. This might be Gmail, your school email address. If you're not sure, ask your coordinator. So you don't need a password. How it works is that it sends a secure link to your inbox and you just tap that and it opens up in the app. You will need to have access to the emails on your phone or the device that you're logging it on. So just tap the orange send email button there. And when that email comes through, just tap the blue login to your account button and tap to open it in the app. You'll see on your main profile page there's the number of endorsements you've earned so far and what badge that adds up to. If you tap read more, you'll be able to see all the achievements you've collected as well. Achievements are things outside of the employability skills, so they may be a driver's license, NCA, a first aid certificate or anything like that. If there's something missing there that you want added, ask your coordinator and they should be able to pop that on for you. And then just tap the X in the top left hand corner to leave that menu there. If you tap the menu button in the bottom left, you'll be able to see all the endorsements you've collected so far in each of those 7 categories. You can tap to open one of those categories and see each of the skills and who's endorsed you in those skills. In your endorsements window as well, you'll see a blue button there on the right, one to download your PDF record of achievement. So this PDF record lists all your achievements and all the skills you've been endorsed for so far, as well as the contact information of your endorsers, like work references. In the app there's also a blue share button and this pops up with a little message that you can send to one of your contacts, so it might be a coordinator or a teacher, to give them an update on how many endorsements you've collected so far. In each of the categories as well, you'll also notice that blue share button, and that gives an update on how many skills you've been endorsed for in that category. In the bottom right hand corner there's a star button, and that's where your endorsers can log in to endorse you. So they just pop their email and their password in there and it will open a tick box menu for them to select all the skills they want to endorse you for. There's also a green create account button, so if you have somebody that you'd like to endorse you who's not registered yet, they can just tap that button and pop their details in there, and that information will be sent to your coordinator who can then approve them to get endorsing you. And lastly, there's a little menu button in the top left hand corner with a bit more information about endorseMe, as well as the number of endorsements you need to earn to level up to the next badge. And at the very bottom of that menu there's a little log out button too. Your account stays logged in on the app until you tap that button. And that's about it really, pretty simple. If you get stuck or need a bit more information, have a chat to your coordinator or have a look on endorseMe.nz for some more videos, tutorials and resources that can help you. Ngā mihi and have a great day.